I'm originally from Clarendon, so basically I ship a lot of stuff back home. I have a lot of family members down there. Um, when I use other companies to ship items, they would have to go into town. And once they go into town, they have to go to Western Union because I have to send the money as well for them to receive the item. So they have to stand in line all day, Western Union, collect the money, then go to the shipper and wait in line again just to collect the thing. It's an all day process. What I love about Shop and Relax is that they don't really deliver to Clarendon, but they do put your item on Knoxford Express. So once the item reaches, they send me an alert. I can log in, pay for the item, let my family member know, and then go to Knoxford Express and pick up the item without no stress whatsoever. And that's why I will always continue to ship with Shop and Relax, because there's no hassle, no waiting, just easy going.